अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। नाजरीन, एक खुशखबरी लेकर हाजिर हुई हूँ। ऑक्सफोर्ड सिटी यूके की नई लॉर्ड मेयर एक अहमदी मुसलमान खातून बनी हैं। ऑक्सफोर्ड टाउन हॉल में लबनह ارشد صاحبہ की हलफ बर्दारी की तकरीब मुनक्कद हुई। इस दौरान रिटायर्ड होने वाले लॉर्ड मेयर जेम्स अपने ओहदे से मुस्तफ़ी हो गए। हलफ बर्दारी की इस तकरीब में नई बनने वाली मेयर लबनह ارشد صاحبہ ने तकरीर की। मैं उनकी तकरीर को मुख्तसर अल्फाज में उर्दू में बता देती हूँ, इसके बाद आप पूरी तकरीर सुन सकेंगे। मोहतरमा लबनह ارشد صاحبہ ने अपनी हलफ बर्दारी की तकरीब में अल्लाह ताला के बाबरकत नाम से अपनी तकरीर का आगाज़ किया। उन्होंने अपनी फैमिली बैकग्राउंड बताते हुए कहा कि उनके वालिदैन का तल्लुक़ सियालकोट पाकिस्तान से है, जो 1960 की दिहाई में ऑक्सफोर्ड यूके मूव हो गए थे। उन्होंने बताया कि वो कई सालों से मुख्तलिफ चैरिटेबल कामों में शामिल रही हैं, बशमूल रॉयल ब्रिटिश लेजेंड के लिए फंड रेजिंग करना, डिज़ास्टर रिकवरी प्रोजेक्ट्स में हिस्सा लेना और इज्तिमाआत में मशगूल होना, जिसमें मुख्तलिफ खेलों की तालीमी मुकाबलों और अमूमी मालूमात शामिल हैं। इसके अलावा उन्होंने बताया कि वो ऑक्सफोर्ड सिटी में इस ओहदे पर फाइज होने वाली पहली कम उम्र मुसलमान खातून है और वो मोहब्बत सबके लिए और नफ़रत किसी से नहीं के असूल पर पुख्ता यकीन रखती हैं। मज़ीद कहती हैं कि जब उन्हें इस ओहदे पर खिदमत की पेशकश हुई तो उन्होंने फ़ौरन हामी नहीं भरी, बल्कि तकरीबन 2 हफ़्ते उन्होंने दुआएं की, अपने अल्लाह ताला से मदद मांगी और खलीफा वक्त की दुआओं और उनसे काउंसलिंग के बाद फ़ैसले तक पहुंची। उन्होंने तकरीर करते हुए कहा कि अल्लाह के फ़ज़ल ने ही मुझे आपके सामने खड़े होने के काबिल बनाया है और मैं अपने खुदा पर मुकम्मल भरोसा करती हूँ। इसके बाद उन्होंने अपने शौहर, बच्चों और तमाम अजीज़ व क़ारब का शुक्रिया अदा किया जिन्होंने यहाँ तक पहुँचने में इनका साथ दिया।
Thank you very much. We now have the serious bit where the councillors present have to vote on this nomination. Those in favour of, well, you'll put your hands up before I said for what? Those in favour, obviously, of Lubna becoming the next Lord Mayor. Anyone against? And abstentions? No, I'm sure none. So congratulations, Lubna. What you are about to see is a transformation, because we all have to change gowns, chains, whatever. So please will you stand while the new Lord Mayor leads the way out with the mace bearer. Where is the mace? Oh, there it is, the mace bearer in front. So please stand up.
If I can ask you to stand and welcome our Lord Mayor, Councillor ارشد.
Please, everybody take a seat. Thank you very much. Just asking the Lord Mayor to sign the declaration of office.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious and ever merciful. Peace be upon you all. Deputy Lieutenant, Deputy Lord Mayor, City Sheriff, Honourable Recorder, Under Sheriff of the County, Member of Parliament, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, first and foremost, I would like to express my gratitude to God for granting me this opportunity to address all of you here today. I want to extend my thanks to my parents for their unwavering support and guidance and instilling in me the values of integrity, bravery in challenging times, and a commitment to helping others. May I kindly request those who are comfortable with me sharing a bit about myself to raise their hands. Thank you. My grandparents were humble farmers, leading simple lives in the 1960s. My parents migrated from Sialkot, Punjab, Pakistan to Oxford, UK. I am proud to be the second generation born and raised in Oxford. Throughout the years, I have been involved in various charitable endeavours, including fundraising for the Royal British Legion, participating in disaster recovery projects, and engaging in ijtimas, which encompass short sports, academic competitions, presentations, and general knowledge quizzes to foster academic participation and engagement. As the first Muslim, the youngest, and the first woman of colour to hold the position of Lord Mayor in Oxford City, I strongly believe in the principles of love for all and hatred for none. When I was asked to serve in this capacity, I did not immediately say yes. Instead, I spent nearly 2 weeks in prayer, seeking guidance and fervently asking for divine intervention. The counsel and prayers of the Khalifa of our time, who I consulted, along with the God's grace, have enabled me to stand before you today. I reaffirm my trust in God. I am grateful to my husband for his love and support, particularly during my election campaigns and when working within the local community and society. While I went door to door to check on our local residents, my parents and my husband took the responsibility of caring for our children. I am also thankful to my brother, my sister, aunt, friends, and comrades for their kindness. I take pride in my 8-year-old son, Hira, who selflessly served as the eco-champion, actively participating in litter picking sessions and tree planting initiatives for our city and school. A moment of great pride for me was when, as the Cabinet Member for Parks and Waste Reduction during COVID-19, I garnered support to establish Oxford's first polytunnel in a local school, allowing younger generations to learn about sustainability. Engaging with youth, having meaningful conversations, and attending community events bring me immense joy. I am grateful to each and every one of you who has taken the time to be here today, as well as the councillors who have elected me as Lord Mayor. I would like to express my appreciation for all the unsung heroes who are making a positive impact in shaping our world, regardless of their titles or social standing. You are the ones who truly make the difference. For me, the primary focus has always been on doing my best and assisting others. It takes humility, an open mind, understanding, forgiveness, and unwavering determination to continue on this path. And these are the qualities are bestowed upon us by God. I firmly believe that abundant resources are available to us and everything occurs for a reason. Despite the responsibilities of caring for my young family and elders, I consider it my duty to make a difference on a larger scale. As a highly visible Muslim woman of colour and the Lord Mayor, having been born and raised in this city, I consider it a tremendous honour to serve both our community and nation. I strongly advocate for respecting everyone and promoting a message of love for all and hatred for none. From a young age, I have been instilled with the values of selfless service, regardless of the magnitude or significance of the tasks at hand. Annually, I actively participate in the International Jalsa Salana, where we come together as a team across various departments nationally to serve the guests of the promised Messiah with the Ahmadi Muslim community. Our shared objective is to ensure their well-being, motivated not by personal reward or by desire, but just to please our Creator. I hold a strong conviction that women are the architects of nations and hold the keys to a brighter future. Being entrusted with the role of Lord Mayor in Oxford, a city that has provided me with the best opportunities in life, is an immense privilege. It is a lifelong honour to be in a position where I can give back to the community. As the saying goes, a nation cannot be reformed without the reformation of its youth or its people. Hazrat Muslim Maud Razitullah Anhu. Every month when I attend my local Muslim community meetings, we take a pledge, reaffirming our readiness to sacrifice our time and energy, including that of our children, for the cause of faith and nation. This serves as a reminder of our significance and responsibilities within society. My prayer is for all leaders to become advocates of peace and prosperity worldwide, upholding the principles of justice, tolerance, and freedom of belief. May God bestow upon me and all of you good health and strength, enabling us to serve our city and support the charities that I have carefully chosen. These organizations will make a significant difference in the lives of the countless individuals in various ways. I firmly believe that we can achieve this transformative impact only by working together. Therefore, I have selected following exceptional charities. The first is Humanity First. I urge everyone to support this organisation as they provide aid to individuals and families affected by disasters and those living in socially disadvantaged communities, both globally and nationally. Their projects include initiatives such as the Gift of the Sight, orphan care, food security, building schools in remote areas, and installing solar panels in electricity in the deprived villages where my brother, at his own expense, went to do just this. I have personally volunteered alongside my sister and our community to raise funds for disaster relief projects supported by Humanity First. My second charity is Oxford Community Action. For over a year, I have been volunteering with this charity and have witnessed firsthand the significant difference they have made to the lives of the struggling families in our city. They tirelessly work on diverse projects, including holiday provisions, providing food during school breaks, facilitating access to IT resources for Oxfordshire residents, and delivering food parcels to those in need. Their compassionate and community-centered approach is truly commendable. The third chosen charity is Asylum Welcome. Having encountered numerous individuals who have faced persecution and trauma in their home countries, including Afghanistan, Ukraine, Syria, Iraq, and Pakistan, and all across the world, I am eager to extend a warm welcome to them in our city and offer support where possible. Asylum Welcome plays a crucial role in aiding supporting these individuals as they adjust to life in our community. There are over 200 volunteers and they work really hard to support those who come to our city and organizations. My vision is to unite this unequal city, and I urge all individuals, regardless of their faith or none, to join me in this endeavor. I kindly request you to reach out and offer your assistance as we undertake this monumental task together. Thank you for your attention and support. May God bless you all. Thank you.